It's a big update, guys. Finally, family members and some international students can come to Canada. COVID 19 restrictions have finally been lifted, well, at least to some extent, by the IRCC. Today is the October 2nd, and October 8th onwards, a lot of people, a lot of foreign nationals will be able to travel to Canada on their temporary resident visa or under certain conditions. Please be tuned till the end of the video. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. So guys, welcome back. My name is Sahil, and like I said, I have big news for you guys today, because today is the October 2nd, and just about an hour or 2 hours back, IRCC released a big information update on their website, and they have mentioned that starting October 8, a lot of foreign nationals and foreign students, international students will be allowed to travel to Canada. A lot of details are there to follow up in this video, but before I share all the information, I have a request to make. If you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure that you like the channel, hit the subscribe icon, and then also hit the bell icon so that you continue to receive all the notifications and the updates on Canada immigration and related topics. So guys, like I said, today's big news is that IRCC has finally opened up the COVID-19 related restrictions, due to which a lot of foreign nationals were not able to come to Canada, which also included a lot of family members, international students, and especially foreign nationals who wanted to visit their ailing friends or relatives, or people who are there maybe suffering due to any health issue, but none of them were able to allow come to Canada and visit their loved ones. So finally what happened is, under the the reducing effects, or the special measures taken by reducing effects of COVID-19, and then special measures taken by IRCC to reduce the effect of COVID-19. And then of course we all understand that immigration plays a very important role in the Canadian economy's future and the current state also. So IRCC totally acknowledges that and also addressed this issue. So I have this update right here on my phone, so I'm just going to read it word by word so that you guys can understand as to who is allowed and who can come starting this next week. So the first part of the notification says that certain extended family members of Canadian citizens and permanent residents, including those in an exclusive dating relationship of at least 1 year, and their dependent children, as well as adult children, grandchildren, siblings, and grandparents. So this is the first part of the announcement. So this is big. A lot of people under this category can come to Canada. Starting when I'll cover in the last part of the video. Now the second part of the announcement is that foreign nationals, for compassionate reasons in specific circumstances such as life-threatening illness, critical injury, or death, or with potential limited release of quarantine, can travel. The third and really important is that international students starting October 2020, if they will be attending a designated learning institution that has been identified by their provincial or territorial government as having a COVID-19 readiness plan in place. So guys, this is the third category. So people, overall family members, loved ones, and international students of some designated learning institutions can actually travel to Canada. Now this particular update is today. It says more information is yet to be released on the October 8th of 2020, and in that particular announcement everything will be covered as to who can travel and who cannot. So that will be a detailed summary, which I will definitely follow up in a new video close to 8th October. So guys, for now the government says that do not start making any travel plans or do not make any bookings until and unless you are eligible under the announcement that will be made on the October 8th. But then overall, yes, family members, loved ones, and international students can at least hope to come to Canada in the near future. And this obviously says that yes, you guys can travel, but with certain conditions and limitations. So be tuned until the next part of this video, which I'll be uploading very soon. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask those questions to me in the comment section, or reach out to me directly through my details in the description box. The update also says that there will be some exemptions required for the travelers. So basically, you might have to get some written exemptions or some approvals before you make your travel arrangements. Okay, so make sure you do that. Once again, get in touch with me if you need any details. We're always there. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and when it comes to Canadian immigration, I'm licensed to help you guys. So I'll be once again happy to help you, and looking forward to seeing you in Canada soon. All the best.